So yeah, just come out of our session at Adweek, where we hosted a panel talking about future TV, and basically looking at the revolution that television is going through at the moment, where rather than it being based purely on a broadcast model, people like Sky are launching products where television can actually be targeted at an addressable level. In other words, individual households will receive different ads depending on the composition of that household, and we think this is a really exciting development that's happening. But also, as the industry moves from a broadcast to an addressable model, the big question is, at what point will this industry then start looking at programmatic as a way to deploy those budgets? So the panel earlier was a mixture of people that work directly in television, so people like Chris Locke, who's the head of trading at Startup MediaVest, through to David Fisher, who's the head of futures at Sky. And we also had an interesting input from some digital practitioners, namely Anthony Rhines and also Richard Wheaton from Neo at Ogilvy. And broadly speaking, the discussion is saying that this is a really interesting first step, but actually, as an industry, I think television's got quite a way to go before addressable is really kind of widely deployed, and then secondly, I think there's another step before we move to programmatic. But I like the fact that we're now talking about television and online in the same sentence, and ultimately this is going to prove to be a defining factor, I believe, in those industries coming together.